Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me here, Stella. So today we're in the car again. So we're going out today for a movie, and I wanted to take you guys along with me as usual. So with me here I have my sister, my sibling. Her name is AJ Mama Ajuri. Peace. So yeah, she came visiting, and I wanted to just take her around town and also maybe get some ice cream because it's really hot today, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and please I'm just trying to put this out there. I post videos every Sunday, Tuesdays and Fridays. I also post like other days as well sometimes if I get the time to, but if I don't, compulsorily every Sunday, Tuesdays and Fridays. So please do well to check out my channel, check out this page. And I just wanted to say that if you want to support this channel, there are a lot of ways you can support this channel. For instance, you can maybe share my videos to your friends through Facebook, through Instagram. You can also like share it even on your own YouTube page if you have a YouTube page. So there are a lot of things we can do to make this channel grow, guys. We're like trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I promise that once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway. In fact, 1,000 is too much. Once we get to 500 subscribers, I'll be doing a very, very huge giveaway. So let's just get that on. I just said let me put this out there and just let you know, like, I can't wait to do a giveaway on this channel once I get to 1,000 subscribers. But even if I get to 500, I will still do something. But the mega giveaway is going to come once we hit 1,000. So let's get the work going. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, let's just get going. Come on, gotta get set. Flex, you flex. Okay, yeah, sorry. Video like that. You know, I think they shake. You just go small, like movie. You know, you see it. snap. Let me snap it. Hi, good day. Thank you. Please, you want to watch a movie? Which one is on now? Can I see like a picture or pamphlet that you guys don't have it? No, yeah. Is it like a Nigerian movie or Nigerian? Oh. Invisible Man, when is that going? Photograph by 1:30. Then how long will that last? Can I buy water first? Let me drink water first. How much is it? Give us water. Give me water. Just one. Thank you. Let me see that. Is it by 2? 2 or 2? Let's check if we wait. What's the time now? Are you sure we can even watch that movie? So guys, we wanted to like watch a movie, but they said the movie won't be showing till like 2:10, and I don't know if we can wait till 2:10. I don't know why I'm always not too lucky with this video. Something like sometimes I want to watch a movie and they'll tell you it's not ready until like 2:10 or it's way past the time. So I'll just try and see if I can wait. Well, yeah, let's just relax. So this is like Genesis Cinema in Port Harcourt. This is how it looks like. But it's a little dead in here, like it's not bright. I don't know what's up with the lights here, but I think it's because of the construction going on outside. I think it's because of the construction going on outside. I'm laughing because my sister is the one actually videoing and she doesn't know how to hold the camera and take a steady shot. So she's trying, she's learning, and it's funny the way she's holding the phone so tight. So we'll just go and we'll just wait. If we can wait to watch a movie, we'll watch it. If we don't watch it, then maybe I'll come back here tomorrow again. But yeah, hopefully we watch a movie before we go home. So guys, I just finished my makeup, and as usual I didn't do anything serious, just my natural everyday makeup look. And if you would like to see a tutorial on this everyday natural look, please let me know down in the comment section and I'll be glad to do it for you guys. So this is how I look now, and I'm just about to head out. Guys, as you know, like you guys already know, like I sweat a lot with this weather. Like it's not that hot, but I'm still sweating. I don't know what's up. So I'm just going to grab my computer. I put it in my laptop bag. Then I grab my keys and I have something cooking. I don't want to say that. I don't want to say it, but you're going to see it on this channel. So I don't want to say where I'm going to, but there's something cooking and I'm going to post it on this channel. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm already done with breakfast, as I said, so I'm ready to go out. I'm done with everything I need to do here at home. So it's just to put my computer into my laptop bag and head out. So I'll see you guys once I get into the car. So guys, I told you I'll talk to you guys once I get to the car. So I'm currently in my car now. I'm about to head out. I'm going to meet a friend and we're supposed to have something that is going to come up on this channel, and it's a surprise. I just want to like do something different on my channel for this year, and I hope you guys are having fun. I hope you guys are staying safe in this whole corona crazy world, and I hope to get back to you guys probably once I get to the house. I might still do a little vlog to add to this vlog, but yeah, basically that is what I'm going to do now. And till I see you guys later, bye. I can't be crazy. So guys, I didn't say like so I just wanted to say this. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Check down in the description box, click the subscribe button. You're going to see a notification, like a bell notification. You see a bell, click on that bell so you don't miss the next time I upload another video. And you also see the notification, turn it on so you also don't miss, so you can get notified by YouTube whenever I also upload another video. So don't forget to do that and share this video. Check up in the what is it called, end screen. You're going to see other videos that I've done that you might also have interest in watching. Or also check also my end notes, and you see something that might interest you. So I hope you're having fun so far, and I'll be heading out now. Probably I've showed you guys around my city, so I might not do like a vlog around the city anymore because you guys have you've seen like most of my routes. So except I'm going to a different route that I haven't shown on this channel, then maybe I might film that, but for now I won't be showing you the routes because you already know my routes for now. So yeah, let me just head out and get back to you guys later. So guys, currently here at Rumupoko Junction. I'm waiting for the delivery guy who was supposed to deliver something to me. So I just wanted to talk to you guys while I wait for him because he's taking a lot of time to get to me here. So guys, this period I noticed that I sleep a little bit early. I sleep early as okay. I just bet he's here now. I think he's this person. See him? See the DHL office guy? That's him. That's him. It's a beautiful day here. That's him. Hey, I'm here. He's coming here. So this is for Harcourt today. He's about to cross down here, and this is big treat. Yeah, so guys, I'm just as I said, I just noticed that I've been sleeping like early, and I've been sleeping a little bit early, and that's giving me a more productive day. Unlike before, I sleep very late. I sleep as late as 11, 12, and when I wake up by 6 or even by 7, I feel really tired and exhausted. But now I feel so productive, very energetic, and yeah, I'm very happy for the change of lifestyle I've been able to inculcate. And because I don't take naps, I find it difficult to even sleep like during the afternoon. So I think this guy is trying to call me. He shouldn't call me. I'm actually opposite. Guys, I'll talk to you guys. Let me meet up with him, man. So he's here now. He wants to just bring it here. Let me just sign this stuff and hi. Yeah, it's me, Stella Sylvester. Yeah, voila. Thank you. Okay.
signature.
Okay. That's it, right? Thank you so much. Not in some other time, not today. Thank you. Thank you. Our Nigerians, he's asking me what I have for him. I should give him a tip. And you're actually supposed to bring this thing to my house, but I came here to meet you up so you don't stress yourself and you're still asking me for tip. I don't have. Maybe some other time I'm going to give you something. I don't like them asking me. I like to do it willingly. When you start asking me, then I don't like it. I'm trying to... Oh my god, I can't believe it. This is it. Oh my god, guys, I just unpacked this stuff. It's actually the tripod I got earlier. Remember, I was supposed to make a return on that stuff, but because it was very expensive, I decided not to do it anymore, and I decided to just relax. And now Amazon sent me another one, and I didn't pay. Like, I did not pay for it, guys. This is not a joke. I am not working with Amazon. I'm not any of their affiliates or anything, and they just sent me another one because the other one, the return I made was for the Boya mic was for my refund, cash refund to my card, and the one for this one was supposed to be a replacement because, as I said, the remote wasn't working, so I made a replacement for this one. And the Boya mic on, yeah, this one works now. You see the blue light is showing. The other one they sent to me, the blue light was not showing, so it can't even work even if I connect it to my phone to use it on my phone. Yeah, so this one now the blue light is showing and it works. I'm really excited. Amazon, thank you so much. I didn't pay anything extra for this thing. They just sent it to me because the one they sent, the remote wasn't working, and I wanted a replacement, and they replaced it, and I still have the old one with me. I don't even know. Like, thank you so much. This is going to make me, I would like to buy more things from Amazon. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. You have no idea how delighted I am. Thank you, Amazon. Thank you so much. You guys just made my day. Oh, so let's get going. Yay, I got another tripod, 2 tripod. See you guys later. Yeah.